Hello students, welcome to my accountancy class. Today we are going to learn T-shape accounts. Chapter name Accounting Procedures, Rules of Debit and Credit. My dear students, in the previous videos you have been taught the rules of debit credit on the basis of the nature of the accounts, traditional approach and modern approach. Now on the basis of those rules we are going to learn how to make T-shape account. Here I have mentioned question number 8 in which you have been asked, open a T-shaped account for the machinery from the following transactions given below. What are the transactions? These are the transactions: purchase machinery, sold furniture machinery, and purchase machinery purchased, machinery discarded, and depreciation. Now let's suppose the machinery was purchased for you by 1 lakh and sold for rupees 20,000, and machinery again purchased rupees 50,000 and discarded rupees 10,000, and depreciation on machinery rupees 20,000. We have assumed the amount, but it is the question number 8 of the TS Grewal, last edition 19 to 20. My dear students, when we are talking about take shape, prepare the T, make a T here. This is T. And you have already learned that the debit left hand side is the debit side of any account and the right hand side is the credit of any account. And here we are preparing the machinery account. This is the machinery account here I am teaching you. My dear students, every account has two sides, or you can say two halves. First half, second half. First half is the left hand side, contains 4 columns. First column for date, particulars, journal folio, amount. In the same manner, 4 columns in the credit side: date, particulars, journal folio, amount. But when we are asked to prepare T-shape account, we don't draw the format in proper way. We simply draw the format in this way, and only 2 columns here and 2 columns here. Here you can write particulars, and here amount. Particulars, here amount. But in fact, in T-shape account, you are going to write here increase. You can write increase, and here you can write decrease or use the sign of decrease, means minus. Now start to prepare the T-shape account. First, machinery purchased. Machinery account means asset account. It is a real account. When it comes, it increases. So it will increase through cash. Right here, to cash. Rupees 1 lakh. It is the increase in the machinery account. So it is the asset account, real account. Increase in the asset account, debit, means left hand side, and decrease in the asset account, right hand side, credit. And here we write the reason or the name of the account, cash account. When we purchase the machinery, cash will decrease. Now sell the machinery, it will decrease. You will write here decrease to cash account. Here in bracket you can disclose purchase, and here in bracket you can disclose sale. Machinery will decrease by 20,000. Now come on the next transaction, machinery purchased. Again we have purchased machinery. Again the machinery has increased by 50,000 rupees, and cash is going to cash. In bracket you can write purchases. Machinery is increasing. My dear students, some student may have confusion while preparing the machinery account or T-shape account. They may focus on the cash. Sir, cash is going, cash is decreasing. Why are you writing here? My dear, we are not preparing the cash account. We are preparing machinery account. So focus only on machinery account. If machinery account is increasing, write here. If machinery account is decreasing, write here. Don't focus on anything except machinery account. Next is machinery discarded. Discarded means we have refused something. Our business has refused something which is not which is worthless, which is not for use. So discarded means separate, निकाल देना. 2. Machinery discarded. मशीनरी डिस्कार्डेड ₹10,000. तो मशीनरी डिस्कार्ड कर दी आपने, माइनस कर दिया, कम हो गई मशीनरी, कम कर दी आपने, घटा दी उसको. जब बात करें डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन मशीनरी की, व्हाट इज डेप्रिसिएशन? डेप्रिसिएशन इज द रिडक्शन इन द वैल्यू ऑफ एनी एसेट बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स यूज, टियर, पासेज ऑफ टाइम और एक्सपायरिंग द टेक्नोलॉजीज एक्सेट्रा. मशीनरी डेप्रिसिएशन क्या होता है? किसी भी एसेट की वैल्यू में कमी आना, चाहे वो किसी भी रीजन से हो, पासेज ऑफ टाइम की वजह से, टेक्नोलॉजीज की वजह से, या कैसे भी. ठीक है, तो मशीन की वैल्यू कम करनी है आपको. 2. डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट. अमाउंट 20,000 का डेप्रिसिएशन लग गया. तो मशीनरी बढ़ी तो डेबिट साइड, मशीनरी घटी तो क्रेडिट साइड. तो ये इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज के बेस पर आपको बनाना है. दोनों साइड का टोटल करेंगे. टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड इज मोर देन द टोटल ऑफ क्रेडिट साइड. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. द टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड इज मोर, दैट इज 1,50,000. द सेम टोटल शुड बी रिटन हियर नाउ. यही टोटल आपको यहां लिखना है. ठीक है, 1,50,000. और टोटल कैसे आएगा? सेम टोटल यहां कैसे आएगा? यहां का टोटल कितना है? 20 + 10 30 + 20 50. इधर का टोटल तो 50 है. 1 लाख कम है, तो 1 लाख कम है ना इधर, तो यहां 1 लाख लिख देते हैं. चलिए अब आप 1 लाख, ये 1 लाख कहां से आया? आपने जो 1 लाख आया ये अब मशीनरी का बैलेंस बचा है बेटा, क्योंकि 1 लाख की परचेज की, फिर 50,000 की, टोटल बैलेंस हो गया 1,50,000. फिर आपने मशीन सेल कर दी, फिर डिस्कार्ड कर दी, डैप लग गया, तो कुल मिला के माइनस कितने की हुई? 50 की. 1,50,000 में से माइनस किया 50, तो बैलेंस कितना बच गया? 1 लाख का. तो आप इसे कहेंगे टू बैलेंस कैरीड फॉरवर्ड. इन शॉर्ट आई हैव रिटन हियर बैलेंस कैरीड फॉरवर्ड. और ये कहां से आया आपका? बैलेंसिंग फिगर करके आया है. In bracket I am adding here balancing figure. ठीक है, बैलेंसिंग फिगर करके आया. और अब आप इस साइड का दोनों का कह सकते हैं टोटल 1,50,000 दोनों साइड का टोटल हो गया. My dear students, I hope that you have got the concept here. T-shaped accounts on the basis of the rules of debit and credit. This is the asset. Left hand side increase, right hand side decrease always. Make it point. Now give a thumbs up to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks. Have a nice day.